Jobs are routines or triggers that you can assign to your ViewSonic devices. When you select jobs, you'll have two choices: live jobs that are currently running or expired jobs. If you want to edit any of these jobs, simply click the pencil, or to turn them on or off, use the toggle. If we want to add a new job, click the plus button to create a new job. Give it a title, choose the type. There are various triggers you can select, such as powering off the device at the end of the day, to make sure that all the devices are turned off and not using additional energy. You can schedule to do it at a specific one time, or it can be recurring, and you can choose a start and end date, and then save it. As mentioned before, these jobs will run indefinitely until you enable or disable them. When you select a specific job, you'll notice that there's the ability to recur it or disable the recurrence, or we can click on the device and choose what devices are selected. Now, when we're ready to run a specific job, go to your device list or your group. Make sure you're on the advanced toggle, select the devices, and choose the jobs option. From here, we can go back and choose any of those jobs that we had created before. For example, if I wanted the screen to turn off at a certain time, I can choose that job, choose OK, and then it's going to assign that job specifically to this device.